Hi Fauhowers, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your YouTube channel link. This tutorial is very useful for you who wants to find a way or information about how to share your YouTube channel link. Okay, I will give you two options here. The first is via YouTube app and the second is via browser. For the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet. Once your phone has been connected to the internet, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, I will show you by using YouTube app. Okay, just open your YouTube app. After opening YouTube app, make sure that you have logged in to the channel you want to share the link. And then you can see on the top right corner there is profile picture of your channel, and then just tap this. After tapping your profile picture, you can just go to your channel. After opening your channel, you can see on the top right corner there is 3-dot line menu, and then you can just tap this. And you can see there is a share button, just tap share. There are some options given here: copy link, WhatsApp, Gmail, email, message, Line, Telegram, and you can tap more. Here are more options you can choose. You can share with more apps. The simply way is just copy the link, and then you can share the link to the apps or the place you want to share. Okay, let's go to the second way, and that's via browser. You can use browser if you don't have any YouTube app. Just open any browser. You can open using Safari, Chrome, Opera, or Mozilla Firefox. Here I want to use Safari. After opening your browser, you can just type youtube.com. And then you can just go. Make sure that you have logged into your channel. And then you can see on the top right corner, there is your profile picture, and then you can just tap this. And then after opening your profile picture, you can just tap your channel. This is your channel. After opening your channel, you can just see on the search bar. Just copy this link. This is your channel link. Just copy this, and then you can send this link to social media or another places. I hope this video is very useful for you and helping you in sharing your YouTube channel link. If you like this tutorial, please just give thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. And make sure that you have turned on notification so that you will be the first person I notify when I upload the latest video about social media tutorial. Thank you.